tell me how you like ILAC, your camping, your summer camp.
It was fun.
It was fun.
And the teacher was nice.
Yeah.
But there were lots of Brazilians.
Yeah. Don't you wish there are more international students like
Yes.
the Asians, maybe some Chinese, some Vietnamese, and then some like from Europe or Japanese?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then did you like the activities?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you
Yeah.
enjoy Toronto?
Yes, a lot.
You're too busy, so it's your last evening in Toronto, in
Yeah.
Canada. You're gonna miss us?
A lot.
Yeah. And what did you learn from this program though?
English.
English. So Letitia, you were so shy. You tell me, what did you learn? No, you think that you are more you less shy than you when you first came.
Yeah, I think so.
You think that it's gonna give you more opportunity to start with your English classes when you go back to Brazil?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you enjoy all the foods in Toronto? Oh, this one. Yeah. And it was a long 3 weeks, eh?
Yeah. Yes, but
Is
it
it-
was good.
So you want to go home or no?
No.
No, no. Okay. So, do you think that you're gonna return to Toronto,
Yes.
to ILAC?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you're gonna come back to my house. And anytime, you're always welcome to come back to my house.
Thank you.
Even you're not with the school, but if you come back with your parents, your family, your friends, just message me and I take you girls in anytime.
you.
Okay? And then one day I go to Brazil and meet all my students. and get all those flip-flops.
Oh my goodness.
You're buying me again?
Yeah.
You spoiled me. You girls have spoiled me. You know, I have like 5 pairs of Havaianas. Is that what it's called?
Havaianas.
And then Havaianas. That's flip-flops from Brazil. Oh my. I get spoiled with all the chocolates, with all the food. I'm so spoiled with all my students from Brazil. and I, you know what? I think that I became like half of myself Brazilian now.
Yeah.
Too bad you girls are not staying for the Brazilian fest on Sunday.
Yeah.
But I'm going, and I'm gonna post it
Okay.
so on my Facebook, so you girls gonna see me.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna go with Natalie. It's her last day here tonight as well. She's leaving my house, but she's still in Toronto. She's done with ILAC, so she's gonna be with her boyfriend's mom. They're gonna rent a car. They're gonna go to Montreal, and that's because I give them direction what is best for them. To do the activities with saving money, but because you girls are young.
Yeah.
Next time, maybe when you can return, when you became adult,
Yeah.
you can explore more.
Okay.
And we can party.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I know it was a challenge for you, especially when you were having a little bit trouble of getting home the other day. But that, I think, what I think, it gives you a stronger personality when you have to deal with problems and issues without parents. Don't you think?
Yes.
And it makes you grow stronger. Right? And that it gives you a message that you need to be with your buddy all the time.
Yeah.
Especially you going away, not with mom and dad, or not with an adults around you. But I'm very happy that you girls did very well for your age, for the strong spirits that you have to came to different countries with the second language, manage to get around, keep yourself safe and healthy. That's one of the most important things, right? So I'm very, very happy.
Thank you.
Okay, so have a very safe journey home. And let me know as soon as you get landed tomorrow, like maybe 2 days later, right? So make sure that you let me know right away,
Okay.
because I'd be worried.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I see you girls again very soon.
Yeah.
Thank you for the message. Thank you for the interview. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.